In this video, we show how to replace riser 4 on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and risers 3 and 5 removed from the system, to remove riser 4, disconnect the data cable from the HPM and then lift up on the riser and pull it from the system. To install riser 4, align and lower it into the system, press down, fully seat it, and then reconnect the data cable to the HPM. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.